Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Kev-In-Thailand, back in Spain. Yeah, I'm going to be here for a while. We are back in Mojaca, Almeria. It's an absolutely beautiful, gorgeous area. Let's have a quick look at the beach. Right, here we are quickly on the beach, or part of the beach. It's roughly 7 kilometres long. Yeah. This is the Pattaya Beach Club. Yeah, not many people here. It is a bit windy. The Mediterranean. Absolutely stunning. It's about 20 degrees at the moment, which is another reason there's not many people down here. Windy, breezy. But the main reason I've come back, obviously, to see Mum, and also there was some good news end of February, beginning of March, that I shall share with you. To do that, we've got to go over to Ture, which is over the mountain, down to another little village, residential area called Ture. So let's get over the mountain. I'll show you a bit of that on the way over. Some places we're going to be visiting. I shall be here another 3 weeks, so there will be plenty. I brought me drone. I'll do a bit of drone work. Beaches, areas, mountains, villages. Almeria has so much to offer. In fact, anyone, UK, Ireland, wherever, that's thinking of retiring, relocating to Spain, check out Almeria, check out our Mojaca, surrounding areas. Over the next few weeks you'll realise why this is the area to come, at least to explore, to have a look and check it out. It knocks the rest of Spain, it knocks into a cocktail. This is here, this area is real Spain. So let's get a Ture. So as I said, we'll be driving over the mountain, so I will not show you the whole drive over. I will be clocking it though. Let's reset that. There is so much to see here. It's unbelievable. That you can see up there on the mountain. Up when you can see it again. That's the old town up there, Mojaca Pueblo, and we shall be going up there at some point. Next video, we need to start to show you why I'm here. Right, as I said, that's Mojaca, the Pueblo, the old town up there. Absolutely stunning, beautiful. So we'll be going over the other side and down to here, Ture. So let's get down to Ture. The scenery here, Mojaca, Almeria, is stunning. Mountains absolutely all over. we are, coming into Ture, and just on the right here, these apartments I will show you. This apartment here in the middle, I bought that in 2005 as an investment for a rental. They were not expensive at the time. Now they're very expensive. Anyway, it's turned out it was very expensive. Anyway, let's get up there and show you. 1, 2, 3, and here we are. This is the view from the apartment that can never be lost. And that up there, that's the old village up in the mountain, the Mojaca Pueblo. And up in the mountains up there is Cabrera, which we will be going up while I'm here to show you. Absolutely stunning areas. Over the bridge there, straight down to the end, turn right, will take you to Garucha. We'll be seeing there Vera Playa. We'll be seeing there. So there's a lot to show you, a lot going on. I've got to sort the apartment out because I had neighbours moved in next door. The neighbours from hell, and I mean absolutely hell. The people that I had renting the apartment moved out. They couldn't stand it anymore, and so trying to get out of the wind. And this apartment has been left empty for 10-11 years. I've not been able to do anything with it, so I stopped paying the council, the bins, the basura and stuff. Paid the EB, but I didn't pay community fees. I didn't pay basura, which is the bins, emptying the bins. I'd given up on the apartment, and the end of February, beginning of March, I had a phone call from Mama, saying that the apartment next to yours looks, it's empty, they've been kicked out. They're doing it up, they're refurbishing it, the bank's foreclosed on them. So hopefully my nightmare has come to an end here. So I'm here sorting it out to pay the back taxes and stuff that I owe. But the local authority is saying I own 2 apartments. It's wrong, I've got to sort that. It's going to take weeks. It may not be sorted by the time I leave. I'll have to give my lawyer power of attorney to sort it, but we will get it right down. But the good news is I now have a saleable apartment. It's a fair, so as the furniture, the people that were in it before wrecked it. They were drunks, they were alcoholics, and they just wrecked everything. I had to throw everything away. I've given it a paint up, but it's been left empty for 10 years. So we're going through, I'm going to be clearing it all out. I'm putting it up with estate agents, and they said it'll be the cheapest apartment in Ture. I'm putting it up for €40,000. I just want shot of it. So we'll get some money back. I want everything gone from Spain, and everything to Thailand. That is my home. That is where I will be staying. But that is just to let you know why I'm here. Obviously I'm staying with Mum. It's great to see Mum and be with Mum, but I'm sorting this out as well as the house. I want everything gone. So next video will be up in the Mojaca Pueblo, the village up in the mountain. Absolutely stunning, beautiful. And as I said, anyone looking to live in Spain, to relocate from the UK, Ireland, wherever, to Spain, check out Mojaca, check out Almeria, surrounding areas. You will see over the next few weeks, it really is beautiful. But one word of warning: if you're coming here and need to start business, to be in business, forget it. It's very quiet for business here. So that's a warning. Anyway, I'll see you soon. I'll see you in a couple of days and show you the beautiful areas. Bye for now. See you soon.